In this video, we're gonna see a comparison between Forex and crypto, which is better. Starting with Forex, which is a trade in national currencies like USD, Euro, JPY against each other on the global highly regulated market. It is highly liquid and established market with huge daily volume, like $7 trillion, well-regulated brokers and clearer legal protection, also lower volatility compared to crypto, less dramatic price swings, and many tools and indicators developed over decades for analysis. Also, the trading is available 24/5 weekdays. But, however, lower profit potential per trade due to smaller price moves. It can be affected by economic news and geopolitical events requiring constant updates, and it has higher leverage that can increase risk. Moving on to crypto, it's traded in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. on various exchanges worldwide. It's highly volatile, offers higher profit potential in short periods. It is open 24/7, no market closing hours, growing ecosystem with many altcoins for DeFi projects, and it's accessible with lower barriers that can start with a small capital. Its innovative tech and evolving market makes it easier. But it's extremely volatile that can lead to large losses. Less regulations, market is still relatively young and unpredictable, and some exchanges have liquidity and security issues. So, if you prefer more stability, regulation, and traditional market structure, Forex might be better for you. If you are willing to take higher risks for potentially higher rewards and want to trade 24/7, crypto could suit you more. For beginners, Forex often has more educational resources and established brokers, and crypto is executed for those who want exposure to cutting-edge technology and fast-moving markets. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.